Hi everyone, and welcome to week 4, the final week of our Crafty Christmas collab. The premise of the collab, which by the way is hosted from Beth of Bourbon Creek Crafts, is to take one paper pad and make 4 projects throughout the month of November. We post every Wednesday at 8 a.m. November 2020. So I use the red and white Christmas pad, which by the way the link is in the description box below if you wish to purchase it. And made a couple of projects. You'll see that there is a link to go back and see the other projects, which I think were all pretty fun. But anyhow, this is what I made for the final week, and as I said last week, this is something you don't want to go into the holiday season without. This is, and I make one every year, and this is the Christmas shopping planner. So the idea of this is to make a list, because I'm pretty big on making lists, of everybody you need to shop for and the holiday meals or parties you plan to attend and everything you need to purchase for that. I get pretty organized and make shopping lists every time I go to the store, and that way I don't forget something's coming up. So this has a handy dandy pen, which I did cover in some red metallic cardstock, and I added the twine to it. You know what I meant to do, or what I should have done, is put a little jingle bell on it, because that way you always can find it in your purse if you have a big purse. I don't. This is all I would carry. So I have a little Velcro cover on it. In years past I've made it with magnets, but I've tried Velcro this year. So you open up, and here is the first page with just a little list pad. It doesn't have very many sheets in it, but I can imagine sitting around Thanksgiving or the day before or a week before and listing everybody you have to buy for and your ideas on what to get. Usually you need to put a couple just in case the item is not found. And then there's a little pocket here for coupons. If you're a coupon clipper, you can stick them in here. You know, maybe your 40% off coupon if you don't put it on your phone or whatever. So stick that in there. There is a shopping schedule on this page, and basically it's just the calendar for November and December. And then I just would put the dates that I want to go to particular stores. You know, if I were to be a Black Friday shopper, which I am not, 18 years in retail cured me of that. But I would put the date, the date I want to go, the time, and the store that I want to be at, and just plan that accordingly. I did put a piece of elastic in here in case you had an advertisement or one of the kids cut out a picture from a newspaper or whatever, so you can keep it in here. But this little pocket has a place to put all of the little clippings you have of the little things, so that way you know if somebody wanted a particular item, you've got the picture of the item and maybe even the SKU, the price, and right down the store. The naughty and nice list, so that's the master list of everybody you want to buy for and the gift, and then you could either check off that you did or put the price or whatever. And then another notepad, which I would probably use to put my food shopping, maybe even list the date that I'm buying for. I lucked out. I really don't only have to make one vegetable dish for Thanksgiving. So at this point, we don't know what we're doing for Christmas. So, but I would put what I need for the dish and maybe even when to prepare it, because we're going to do it ahead of time and heat it up. So there is a holiday shopping planner. I have not yet made a tutorial for this. If that is something you would like to see, please let me know. By the way, this is 8.5 by 4. So number one, it would fit in your pocket if that's how you shop. Number two, it would fit in your purse if that's how you shop. Or number three, you can just grab it in your hand and take it to the store, and don't let it out of your sight, because this will be your main focus throughout the holiday season. So love to have them every year. There's different ones on my website. that are a little more involved, but this was a quick version of it. Thanks so much for watching. I'm glad you stuck around for the 4 weeks. If you haven't seen all 4 projects, go back and check them out. Last week's was a great box for card making, which we're going to do for Thanksgiving. And then check out the other items. I'm going to probably do a wrap-up of this paper pad and everything I got out of here, because at this point, all I have is a minimal amount of scraps, and I'm really just going to take them and cut them up and put them on the inside of the cards, because then I'm done and there is nothing left to this paper pad, which is always a good thing. So thanks so much. I appreciate it. Please go ahead and subscribe. I am hoping to get to the next big number of subscribers before the end of the year, and it would help me out greatly. I have lots of things planned coming up in the future. Thanks so much. Have a great holiday season. Bye.